Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Now, if I can help you get your dreams up and running, what can I do to help you and get you started? If you and me can work together and get your next big adventure started, drop me a text message on 07801 543 515 or book your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon, but first, here is today's quote. Never let a stumble in the road be the end of the journey. Bumps, stumbles, mishaps, it's all part of the journey on this adventure called life. A bumpy road might mean a little sidetrack here and there, just to work out that bump. But then you get back up and you carry on with the journey. But now with a little more experience and of course more knowledge. A calm ocean never made a skilled sailor.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.